You searched how to buy shares of Digimarc Corporation, a technology firm focused on digital watermarking and media identification. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker DMRC, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DMRC to find the stock. Select the matching result to open Digimarc's listing on the site. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Make sure the listing shows Digimarc Corporation and the ticker DMRC before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to the example platform is in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.